What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen. Sorry, and I am back with another video. As you guys can see by the environment, it's kind of different. We're getting different vibes, you know. This is not like your basic, well, my basic YouTube video style. Today, I figured since it's Easter, we are going to be baking, and you're going to be baking with me. You and I both are going to be baking today. So here we have some Betty Crocker carrot cake mix that I'm gonna make into cupcakes and top it off with some Philadelphia whipped frosting. This stuff right here is bomb. It's gonna complete this whole thing, so I'm super excited. And I don't know, it's kind of different for me, so like we're just getting into it and like everything. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified every single time I post. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So before we get started, we have to, it's a must, we must wash our hands. No dirty hands in this place. We must wash our hands. So grab some soap. I shouldn't show you guys how to wash your hands, like you guys should know, but I'm gonna show you anyways. So you grab some soap, pour a little in your hands, then you run the tap, and basically what you wanna do is scrub, get in between the fingers, get everything lathered up, you know what I mean? Get behind, in between, get the wrist, you know, the wrist is up and wide. And then we wait. Done yet. It's not done and I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired. muffins are out and they're a little bit burnt, but we move because you know we have this, and this is gonna substitute for all mistakes you make because this thing tastes so good. What you do is you pipe it down, and look what's gonna happen. Look what's gonna happen. Bam. And this is the finished product. And now we're gonna taste one. Let's take a small one. Let's take this one. Look at that. I know my piping bake icing skills is really bad, but it tastes good, so that's all that matters, right? These are good. I might just have to. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to tell me and let me know so that I can provide for you guys, you know what I mean? Also guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. All of that will be in the description bar below, as well as what I used today. And I just hope you guys love this video and have a wonderful Easter. Happy Easter guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.